Hey Whitley, this is Viola with Vanessa SEO, Atlanta, Georgia. Thank you so much for taking the time out to speak with me the other day, and thanks for clicking on this video. Now, I'm going to briefly show you 3 easy ways that you can improve your website so that you can start bringing in more customers. And just in case you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's pretty simple because there are a lot of business owners out there that don't have the time to make the internet work for them to bring in more customers, and it holds them back from hiring a marketing agency, especially seeing that they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I found that by making these easy free attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do this themselves and call me back, and some ask for help. So if you want some help at the end of this video, then go ahead and give me a call so we could chat. But if you want to do this yourself, please do. I'm just trying to help as many business owners as possible. So now I'm going to talk to you today about contents, backlinks, and citations. So first off, you have a pretty decent looking website. I love the immediate call to action up here. All right, it's nice and bright. I love the photos, easy accessible. But keep in mind, Google doesn't rank you based on how good looking your website is, though. They rank you based on the content. So if somebody goes to Google and they type in junk removal, Atlanta, Georgia, Google's job is to put them in front of the site that's going to answer all of their questions, which is typically the article that has the most words on it. And the average website on the front page here of Google has about 1,500 to 2,000 words on it. So you want to make sure that you guys get your homepage, specifically the homepage, upwards to 1,500 at least. I went ahead and put in one of the competitors. Let's take a look at them. This is Stand Up Guys. As you can see on their site, they also have a pretty bright site. They have the call to action. Um, they have more than they have a good amount of words on their site. However, they still don't have 1,500 words, yet they're ranking a little higher than you guys are on Google. So this just tells me that they're definitely beatable when it comes to the content as far as that is concerned. Now, I want to show you guys one other thing here. The next thing I want to talk about are backlinks. So let's jump over to this tool that I use called Ahrefs. This pretty much allows me to see the back end of sites and what's going on. This is you guys, obviously, Joseph's Junk Removal. It tells us that you guys have 10 websites linking back to you at least 53 times. And basically what a backlink is site A pointing to site B, and that gives site B power. But keep in mind, not all backlinks are created equal. Um, for you want to make sure that you are getting relevant backlinks that are linking back to you. So for example, if you guys happen to do some work for an ice cream shop and the ice cream shop decides they want to add a link to their site linking back to you, obviously that link is going to be all about ice cream, right? So it's not going to be very powerful in Google's eyes. So in order to become the authoritative site, you guys have to have authoritative links, and those links are going to come from relevant sites that have to do with the industry that you're in, which is junk removal or anything along those lines. Now let's take a look at that same competitor in this same tool. They have 352 websites linking back to them, about 7,000 times. And what I will do here is the strategy is I will go in and take a look exactly at what their backlinks are. I would sign up and put myself in the same exact backlinks and then add another 20 or 30 on top of that. Because understand, whatever backlinks are linking for them are going to also link for you, and it's going to help you guys get towards the top. So as you can see, um, they have quite a bit, but let's take a look at their overview here. Because if you're beating them in content and you're beating them in backlinks, you're going to take their organic wins as well, and you're going to take their organic traffic, which, there we go. Let's see. I wanted to show you guys. I think that it's $10,000 a month that they are averaging. Yeah, close to $10,000 a month. So let's go ahead and get back to you guys here. The last thing that I wanted to talk about are citations. So usually when somebody goes on Junk Removal Atlanta, again, they bypass all the ads, whether that's because of ad ad blockers or bad experiences. Um, but what they really want to get, or where you really want to get ranked, is right in here, which is what we call the map pack. And that's basically a citation. And a citation is getting yourself in a directory, any directory throughout the web where your business name, address, and phone number are listed. So the strategy here is to find out exactly what citations your competitor is in, put yourself in those same citations, and add another 20, 30, 40 on top of that. This way you're constantly and making sure that you are dominating them in this space. So that's what's going to help you become the authoritative content there. And that's pretty much all I have for you today. So once again, you want to get this site upwards to 1,500 words. You want to make sure that you're putting yourself in the same backlinks that your competitors are in. That way, and adding another 20 or 30 on top of that, as well as citations. So once again, if you found that this video was helpful at all, please leave me some feedback, whether it's via text message, phone call, email. Just let me know. Like I said, I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.